And we're live. Oh, well, welcome, John, to the Real Talk at the Del Mar Electronic Manufacturing Show.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Yeah, how's everything going for you?
Good. It's been a real busy show. Not as much volume as we thought, but everybody that's here is serious.
Yeah, everybody's serious. It's serious business. So tell us a little about yourself. What do you do, John?
I am president of DVC Dry Vapor Cleaner. We make a high-pressure, high-temperature dry vapor cleaning system that is the premier product to remove flux from circuit boards.
Oh, wow. So that is right now, the demand must be a little high for you right now.
It has been very high and very good.
So explain that process of flux for the audience. Like, really, what is that process flow in simple layman terms, I would say, what you guys do for the industry?
Well, flux is used in the soldering process to make the boards, but then the flux has to be removed after that process is complete. Otherwise, there's basically a short circuit. The soldered pieces can grow together, cause a short circuit, and then there's a bad board which is recalled from your car.
Okay. Oh, there it is.
Or any other variety of instruments you may have.
Yeah. So, how? I mean, is it you found this company? Are you a founder, or are you behind?
I acquired the company a few years ago from one of the original people that had created it. Mm-hmm. Technology's been around for about 25 years. And it is high pressure, high temperature, dry vapor.
Okay.
So that's the thing that people don't fully understand. What is dry vapor?
So let's explain that. Let's break it down.
All right. So inside our equipment, we've got a high-tech aluminum aerospace core. Mm-hmm. Into that, we drip distilled or DI water.
Yeah, okay.
And that immediately turns that into high pressure, 300 psi, high temperature, 300 degree.
Oh, wow.
Dry vapor. So you've made spaghetti.
Yeah.
You hold your hand over the pasta, it's boiling water, 212 degrees, 38% water vapor. We elevate the temperature to 300 degrees, which lowers the water vapor to 4%.
Oh, wow.
So in that process, we can clean anything actually that's metal. We get contaminant off of metal, and we leave that clean, dry, and hot.
Interesting.
So, same with the circuit boards then. We are able to, that 300 degrees breaks that bond of the flux. That 4% water vapor acts as an emulsifier to grab it, and the pressure pushes it away.
So on this, for the application side, for the users, right now, I mean, in this marketplace, how many people in this similar industry in your marketplace? Nobody. So you have
we have a very unique niche.
Unique niche. And your target segment or sectors are anybody that's in the PC board assembly or PC?
Primary in assembly or repair and rebuild.
Repair and rebuild,
So we work with a lot of companies. Actually, Caterpillar just bought one. They've got 40,000 rebuild boards that they need to do.
Okay. So and this device or this product itself, how many do companies usually need? They buy one that can do, what's the volume that it can do per?
It depends on the volume that they have.
Okay.
There are some people that buy them. Edwards Air Force Base uses ours for some specialty boards that they're building and testing, and then they break them apart and they make them better and they do what they need to do. So they've got one of our smaller units. Like I said, the Caterpillar just bought one of our largest units, which will run 24/7. And like I said, they're going through 40,000 boards. I think they're going to try to do that in about 6 months.
Wow. That's unbelievable. So from now, for you guys, is a strategy of the market innovation process. What's in the future for your guys' product? Are there new innovations coming out that you guys can put in as things are changing, as the world is going? Is there things coming out that you guys can add value to the product?
As far as our product goes, it's fairly simple in what it is, but it's very complex in what it does.
Correct.
And we have perfected the technology. We work with people like Foresight in Kokomo, Indiana, who is one of the premier circuit board failure analysis companies.
Yeah, FAs, yeah.
Yep. So we work with them, and they bring to light what the problems are. We are the solution.
Oh, wow. That's unbelievable. So the show, I mean, you're out. Is this the first show you guys have done after post-pandemic?
Since the pandemic, yes.
Yeah. How is it for you guys? How's everything? How's it feel, the energy, the vibe, what's going around, talking to people?
It's good to be face-to-face again and be able to see the face without the mask.
Yeah.
So it's good. Like I said earlier, the crowd is not necessarily as large as I expected it to be, but everybody that's here is serious. Everybody's got a project. They've got a situation they're looking to fix, and we've had some very serious conversations.
So you're saying there's quality over quantity?
Absolutely.
That's wonderful. Well, very good, John. It's a pleasure to meet you. And you're out of Las Vegas?
We are in Las Vegas.
So you guys build this product in Las Vegas? Is this everything manufactured, assembled in that part?
We are made in the USA.
Okay.
We have manufacturing and R&D in Las Vegas. Mm-hmm. We actually make our smaller units in Denver, Colorado.
Okay.
And the larger units we're making in Kokomo, Indiana.
So how can people reach you?
They can reach us at our website, dryvaporcleaner.com.
Dryvaporcleaner.com. Awesome. I really appreciate you coming on the Real Talk, sharing your story, sharing what you guys do for the industry, exciting electronics industry that's happening this decade. It's unbelievable what's come to, I would say, the pandemic has ignited us into for the demand, the compute and digitalization and process. We're in a technology revolution. It's really exciting to be here.
Absolutely. It's kind of like the Roaring 20s.
It's the Roaring 20s without the end. What happens after the Roaring 20s?
We don't need that part. However, conditions being what they are, we may be in line for that as well.
Who knows what's happening. But I really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me here.
Thank you, John. Pleasure.